First of all, let me show you something. This person's name is Rachit Madan. He earns more than $1 million per month from CPA networks. He works on maxbounty and click dealer.
एक दिन का हाईएस्ट हमारा 40,000 था. आई एम अ परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटर. कंटेंट ब्लॉगर बनाने के लिए CPA लीड करके एक वेबसाइट थी, वो ढूंढी.
अगर मैं पूछूं आज के रेट में कितना कर रहे हैं हम,
मतलब बट मैं बोल
लोगों को याद है कि थाईलैंड वाले में आपने बोला था $1 मिलियन.
अरे यार रेवेन्यू वाइज अगर आप बोलोगे तो हाँ इतना जरूर हो जाता है. हम CPA मॉडल पे काम करते थे कि एक लीड का हमको $3.5 मिल रहा है या $3 मिल रहा है. 85% यूएस है.
Guys, you can also earn lots of money from CPA networks. Let me show you my earnings. Guys, I earn money from crakrevenue network, CPA Grip and CPA lead. I have written hidden secrets of CPA marketing ebook. In this ebook, I have shared lots of things. You can see table of contents. If you are interested, then you can check my ebook. Link is given in this video description box below. Guys, you just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making millions of dollars per month. You do not need to invest your money. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, first of all, you will have to join CPA network. You can join CPA Grip network. You can join crakrevenue network, click dealer, maxbounty CPA network, and CPA lead network. All these CPA network pay out high amount of money. You can earn a high amount of money using this network. In this video, I'm going to use CPA Grip network. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on sign up now button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password, and you will have to accept all these terms and conditions. And at last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my earnings. I have made $209.73. Here you can see people's earnings. This person has earned more than $3,000. This person has earned more than $14,000. This person has earned more than $6,000. This person has earned more than $42,000. This person has earned more than $190,000. You can also earn lots of money every single day. You should watch this full video without skipping. You can click on offer tools button. Now click on my offers button. You can select here United States country. Here you can see CPA offers. If you will promote this CPA offer when people from United States visit on this CPA offers landing page through your CPA link and they will just submit his email address, then you will earn $2.57 per person. I'm going to promote all of this CPA offer. First of all, I will have to make landing page. I'm going to make simple landing page related to finance. You can go on Google and search your 8B. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, this is the best platform to make attractive landing page. Your landing page will get lots of visitors from Google ranking. You can make landing page in free. You can click on create free website button. It will then take you to this page. First of all, you will have to sign up. You can sign in with Google. You can sign in with Facebook. Or you can type here your email address and then you can click on next button. Now you can click on forget password. This platform will send you password on your email address. You can check your email address and then you can click on this URL. It will then take you to this page. You can copy this password. Now click on reset password button. Yeah, here we go. Your password has been reset. Now you can go on this page and paste here that password. Click on next button. Here you can see there are a lot of templates to choose from. I'm going to make finance related landing page. I'm going to select here this template. You can type here this kind of site name and then you can click on OK button. Now I'm going to customize this template. You can click here. Now you can type your company name. You can type your unique company name like Millennium Momentum, High Mark Growth, Infinity Earners, Profit Peak Systems, Million Mint Strategies. You can type your any unique company name. Now you can click on this text. Type your company name. Now you can click on this text. You can type here this kind of text. Now I'm going to remove this button. Click on settings icon. Now click here. Here is showing buttons option. You can click here. Now click here. Now scroll down. Guys, this section is great. Do not remove this section and do not edit this text. I'm going to remove this button. Click on settings icon. Now click here. Here is showing buttons option. You can disable this option. Now click here. Scroll down. I'm going to delete this section. Click here. Now click on remove section button. Click on OK button. Now I'm going to edit this text. I'm going to delete this button. You can click here. Click on show all settings button. Now disable this option. Click here. Scroll down. I'm not going to do anything in this section. Guys, this is a great section. Latest news in our company. I'm going to customize this section. I'm going to add CPA link in this section. You can click here. You can go on CPA Grip network. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Now you can copy this text. You can go on this page. You can select this text. You can type here this kind of text. You can click here. Guys, this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS. I'm going to type here Apple iOS. You can type here only for Apple iOS users. Now I'm going to change this text. You can type here this kind of text. Now you can click here. I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip website. Here is showing CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can go on this page. You can select this button. Click on this link icon. Click on web address button. Paste your CPA link. Now click on insert link button. Now scroll down. Similarly, I'm going to edit all this text. You can go on CPA Grip website. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Guys, I'm going to add this CPA link on my landing page. You can type here this kind of text. Now I'm going to add your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip website. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on this page. You can click here. Click on link icon. Click on web address button. Paste your CPA link. Enable this option. Click on insert link button. Guys, I'm going to change this image. You can click here. Now you can search your gift card. You can select this image. Now you can click on OK button. You can click here. Now you can search your cache. Here you can see there are a lot of images. You can select any of this image. I'm going to select here this image. You can scroll down. Click on OK button. You can scroll down. Now I'm going to delete this section. Click on settings icon. Click on remove button. Click on OK button. Guys, here is showing reviews section. I'm not going to delete this section. I'm going to delete this section. I'm going to add here more CPA offers. Click on this plus icon. Now you can drag this section here. Scroll down. I'm going to edit this section. You can go on CPA Grip network. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Guys, this CPA offer is for Android users. You can click here to copy CPA link. Now you can go on this page. You can click here. Now click on this link icon. Click on web address button. Paste your CPA link. Enable this option. Click on insert link button. Now I'm going to change this image. You can go on CPA Grip website. You can right click on this image. Click on save image button. Now you can go on this page. You can click here. You can click on browse computer button. You can click here. You can select this image. Click on open button. Now I'm going to change this text. You can type here this kind of text. Now you can go on CPA Grip website. You can click here to open this CPA offer. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Guys, this CPA offer is for Android users. You can go on this page. Now you can type here. You can type here for Android users. Click here. Now select this text. Click on this link icon. Click on web address button. Paste your CPA link. Now enable this option. Click on insert link button. Now click here to make it bold. You can go on CPA Grip network. You can click here to open this CPA offer. You can copy this text. Now you can go on this page and paste here that text. Now I'm going to insert your CPA link. Go on CPA Grip website. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on this page and select this text. Click on this link icon. Click on web address button. Paste your CPA link. Enable this option. Click on insert link button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on this 3 line. Click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. Congratulations, your website is published and is live online. Here is showing URL of my website. You can copy this URL. Now in next step you can go on Bitly website. Guys, first of all you will have to create account on this website. You can click on sign up for free button. Now you can select here this option. Guys, you can create account by entering your email address and password. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create new button. Now select your link option. You can copy your website URL. Now go on Bitly platform and you can paste here your website URL. Now you can click on create button. Guys, here is showing shorten URL of my website. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on Gettr platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular platform. This platform gets millions of visitors from United States. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 1 million visitors monthly. As you can see, this platform gets more than 48% visitors from United States. Here you can see this post. This person is sharing website URL in this post. You can also share your website URL in your post to get visitors. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can log in with Google, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, or you can click here. Now you can click on this button. You can also create account with your email address. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create button. Guys, you can write a post or you can publish your short video. You can click here. Now you can click here. You can select short video from your device. Click on open button. Guys, you can download short videos from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube or any social media platforms. After downloading short video, you can publish on Gettr platform. You can type your caption. You can type your this kind of caption. Now I'm going to insert here my website URL. Here is showing URL of my website. You can copy this URL. Now go on this platform. Paste your URL. Click on post button. Click on view profile button. Guys, here is showing my short video and here is showing my website URL. When someone will click on this URL, then they will be redirect on my website. As you can see here, my website is looking great. Here is showing clickable text. When people from United States click on this text, then they will be redirect on this CPA offers landing page. When that person will just submit his email address, then you will earn $2.31 per person. Suppose if you will generate 50 leads per day, then you can earn more than $108 per day. Guys, if you want to get more visitors, then you will have to advertise your website. You can advertise your website on ad post platform, classifiedads.com, freeclassifiedads.usa.com, adpostman.com. You can also advertise your website on Facebook and Google. You can make thousands of dollars from CPA Grip network. Once your earning will be reach minimum $50, then you can cash out your money. You can receive your money through PayPal, ACH transfer, and Payoneer. Rachit Madan earns millions of dollars per month from CPA networks. You can also start making money from CPA networks. Guys, don't forget to check my hidden secrets of CPA marketing ebook. You can get URL in this video description box below. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.